Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we dig deep into trending products and websites to help you avoid scams and make smarter choices. Today, we're checking out the Osmo Dashcam Pro. It's being marketed as a high-tech dashcam that promises crystal-clear footage, smart features, and peace of mind while driving. But the big question is it really worth your money or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. According to its promotions, the Osmo Dashcam Pro claims to record in full HD or even 4K quality, offers wide-angle coverage, night vision, motion detection, and sometimes even comes with AI-powered alerts. Sounds impressive, right? A dashcam is definitely important for road safety and evidence in case of accidents, so products like these sound like a must-have. But here's where we need to look closer. Many such dashcams sold online often come with exaggerated promises that don't quite match the real-world performance. Customer reviews across different platforms are mixed. Some buyers say the Osmo Dashcam Pro works decently in daylight, but at night the footage often turns grainy. Others have pointed out that the wide-angle coverage isn't as wide as advertised. Another common complaint is about the build quality. Some users felt it looked more like a cheap generic dashcam being sold under a fancy name. So, is the Osmo Dashcam Pro worth it? Honestly, if you're serious about road safety and need reliable footage, it may not be the best choice. There are well-known brands like Vantrue, Nextbase, or Garmin that provide proven quality and support, even though they might cost a bit more. My advice: do thorough research. Don't fall for flashy discounts, and check for genuine customer reviews before making a purchase. If the Osmo Dashcam Pro is being sold at a suspiciously low price on an unknown website, it's better to avoid it. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more honest reviews and scam alerts. Stay safe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.